Hello, and welcome to another episode of Crankcase. If you've ever stayed in a five-star hotel, you can back me up when I say that the rooms are very elegant, comfortable, and have all the features you might want from a hotel room. However, you will again back me up when I say that they're pretty much fixed in one place, in that you can't take your hotel room with you wherever you go. What if I told you that you can? What if you want to drive around in your own luxury hotel room? How do you get the five-star experience to go along with you everywhere you travel? Well, wonder no longer. Here is the answer. The Mercedes Maybach GLS 600 4MATIC. Admittedly, the name is a little less catchy than a five-star hotel's name, but other than that, it is pretty much the same experience. This mountain of luxury comes with so many additional features and trim options to make your life more comfortable and easy that I couldn't list it here if I wanted to. I mean, Mercedes cars aren't exactly cheap and uncomfortable, but the Maybachs, however, are the next level of luxury. The car does things for you, like having a concierge follow you around everywhere you go. Now, you may have noticed that I called this a mountain of luxury, and I meant that. It's a big SUV, and it's about 5.2 meters long. It is 2 meters wide and 1.8 meters tall. Now, to move this mountain of exotic materials around, Mercedes have given it a 3.9 liter V8, which produces about 557 horsepower with an additional 22 horsepower deployable with Mercedes EQ Boost, which is the electrical power boost. The engine produces 730 Newton meters of torque with an additional 250 Newton meters deployable with the electric assist. Now, this engine can take the GLS from a standstill to 100 kilometers an hour in 4.9 seconds, which is extremely impressive given the dimensions of this car. Now, Mercedes hasn't mentioned the weight of this car in the release, but I am sure it's heavy, given that it has a fridge built into the rear armrest, with an option for interior lighting and a contraption for holding two champagne flutes, obviously. Even then, the car will go on to a top speed of 250 kilometers an hour, which again I'm sure is limited, as are most cars nowadays. Now, over 50 of these mobile hotel rooms will be coming to India, and even for the most basic models, the prices start from about 2.43 crores ex showroom in India. And I mean, even if you have like two Khokas lying around the house, you still can't buy one because they have all been sold out. So all you can do is hit rewind on this video and go look at it again. Now, if you like the video, hit the thumbs up below, drop a comment, and tell us your troubles in life, because who else is listening? We are going to be coming up with a lot more content, so consider subscribing to the channel as well. Thank you for watching. This has been it for the Mercedes Maybach. See you soon.